Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to Transformations Week. We're looking at translations today. Basically, you're taking an object and you're going to shift it left to right, up or down. There's going to be some given rules to you that tell you exactly how to behave with it, and finding those coordinate points, you can literally just add or subtract those to it. And then once you plot your stuff, you can see that the object or the pre-image where you started with is just sliding to the new location of your next image for your final piece there. So let's slow it down, let's break it down, and let's take a look at this in a little more detail. So if I've got some triangle CDE here, and I've got my rule, which is xy is going to x minus 3, y plus 8. That minus 3 tells me I'm moving to the left 3. The plus 8 tells me I'm moving up 8, because it's working on the x and the y's there. And you can literally just follow this given rule. Like if I just subtract 3 from every single x value that I've got, it's going to tell me where the image is going to land from the pre-image. If I add 8 to every single y value I've got, it's going to land me where every single image piece needs to be. So to get to my C prime, literally I'm going to do the 2 minus 3 and then the negative 1 plus 8 to get to negative 1, 7. D prime is going to be my 7 minus 3 and my negative 4 plus 8. And my E prime is going to be my 4 minus 3 and then my negative 6 plus the 8. So now I have my image points at C prime of negative 1, 7, D prime at 4, 4, E prime of 1, 2. And then as we've always been doing, just go ahead and graph your pre-image, plot those points where they belong, and then we're going to see that this entire object, this whole piece is getting shifted to the left 3, up 8, and we'll see it's going to land kind of up in a little bit of the second and first quadrants here. And again, if you just plot those points, you'll get your final image. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few more of these examples and fast forward. Good luck. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.